Here's a step-by-step guide on how to design a butterfly shape with one patterned wing and one blank wing for messages. Materials you'll need: paper or cardstock. Choose a paper that's sturdy enough to handle watercolor, colored pencils, and markers or Sharpie. Cardstock is a good option. Pencil, for sketching the initial design. Colored markers or Sharpies, a variety of colors for the patterns. Fine-tip black marker or Sharpie, for outlining and adding details. Instructions: 1. Sketch the butterfly shape. Fold the paper in half. This will help ensure your butterfly is symmetrical. Draw half a butterfly. On one side of the folded paper, draw half of a butterfly shape, starting from the center fold. Remember that a butterfly has an upper wing and a lower wing. Keep it simple. A basic wing shape is easier to work with, especially if you're adding intricate patterns. Consider the size. Make sure the butterfly is large enough to accommodate both patterns and writing. One way to get a butterfly shape is to cut out the butterfly. Carefully cut along the lines you drew. When you unfold the paper, you'll have a symmetrical butterfly shape. 2. Divide the wings. Decide which side will be patterned and which will be blank for writing. 3. Design the patterned wing. Start with a border. Use a marker to outline the wing you've chosen to pattern. This will give it a defined edge. Create sections. Divide the wing into smaller sections using lines, curves, or shapes. These sections will serve as containers for your patterns. Think about geometric shapes, triangles, squares, circles, and more. Organic shapes, swirls, waves, and flower-like shapes. Lines, straight, zigzag, and dotted. Fill the sections with patterns. Use colored markers or Sharpies to fill each section with a different pattern. Get creative. Add details. Use a fine tip marker to add details to your patterns. 4. Prepare the message wing. Leave this wing blank. The other wing should remain blank, so you can write your message clearly. Use a pencil to draw a border only to keep it minimal so it doesn't distract from the writing. Write your message. Choose your message. Select the words you want to write on the blank wing. This could be praise words like beautiful, amazing, and wonderful. Be strong. Keep going. You can do it. Sometimes, all we need is a little hope or love to get through the day. Write neatly. Use a colored marker or Sharpie to write your message on the blank wing. Make sure to write clearly and legibly. Use high-quality markers. This will prevent bleeding and ensure vibrant colors. Don't be afraid to experiment. Try different patterns, colors, and layouts to find what you like best. Take your time. Creating a beautiful butterfly takes time and patience. Enjoy the process. The purpose of this kind of project is to combine patterns and words in one drawing. It merges visual art like patterns with written expression, such as personal messages or encouraging words. Create a special visual effect by placing the patterned wing and message wing side by side, creating a visual contrast. The contrast between the patterned wing and the message wing creates visual interest and makes the artwork more dynamic. Personalize your artwork to make it uniquely yours. It allows for a high degree of personalization, as the artist can choose their own patterns, colors, and messages. Express your creativity through this beautiful medium. It encourages experimentation with different art techniques and design principles. Communicate a message. The project can be used to convey positive messages, express emotions, or create meaningful gifts and create special visual effects by combining patterns and messages.